to uninstall or remove an Ascent X1. The principles will apply to all the Ascent devices, but this is the majority of what you're going to see out there. First of all, the tools you're going to need: a key to the device, a small screwdriver, a 7/16 ratchet or wrench if it's small enough to get inside the box, and then an 8mm or a 5/16 wrench. We also have some electrical tape or wire caps for capping the wire after you remove the device. First thing we're going to do is unplug the device to make sure there's no power going to the unit. We don't want to risk shorting the unit, causing any issues like that, burning up any of the remaining boards. As we open it up, you're going to see most of the devices are going to have 4 wires connected. First thing I'm going to do is take a picture of the wiring so I know exactly which wire is in which hole on the terminal block. We also recommend just taking a little bit of masking tape and label each wire if that's easier for you. Then we're going to gently loosen the forward screws that are holding the wires into the terminal block and remove those. Once those are out of the way, that's when you're going to cap them with the wire nuts or tape them off with electrical tape. You don't want these wires touching. The power wires should be disconnected at this point. If the relay wires touch, it will hold your gate open. At that point, we're loose from the wiring. Wires have all been capped. We're going to take our ratchet and we're going to loosen the 4 bolts at the back of the device that are holding it to the pedestal. Once we've got those loose, we're going to finish removing those, taking care not to drop the device as it comes loose. Then we're going to feed those wires through the back of the unit, and it's off. Alright, today we're going to go over how to remove the faceplate and circuit boards from an Ascent X1. Once again, you're going to want to get your device powered down, so unplug it from the power source. We've already done that on this device. We've also removed the wiring already. Tools you're going to need: a key to the device, the small screwdriver to remove the wiring, and either a 5/16 or an 8mm wrench. When we open the device, you're going to be able to see there are 3 bolts that hold the hinge to the housing, and then the same size nut is on the antennas. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the antennas. There's 2 antenna connectors. Take those off. We can just let them hang in the housing. Then we're going to loosen the 3 nuts on the hinge. And once we have those loose, the faceplate just lifts off.